Hey, welcome to Jonez Garage. This is episode 12. This week I'm going to be removing the frame bump stops for the rear end, so the rear end don't hit the frame. I'm going to add my own bump stops in later. I don't want those dictating anything with my rear end and suspension. I just want to get them out of the way, and I'll put new ones in where I want them. Also this week, I drilled the holes in the subframe connectors, through the subframe connector, through the frame, then out the other side and put the bolts in. That's all I really got done this week. I also removed the e-brake brackets. Same thing. I don't want those dictating anything. Later on, I either put them back in the same spot. I removed them. I didn't break them or nothing. So there's just 4 spot welds on each one. But I don't really know how the new brake kit I'm going to get is set up, but I don't want those. I'll put them wherever I want to, or I'll put them back. It's not a big deal. So, but yeah, thank you guys for following along. I got 300 subscribers now. Might not sound like a lot, but it's cool that, 300 of you guys have thought to hit that subscribe button. So thank you very much. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I try to organize everything in playlists. So on the main channel, right away it should have the Ford Falcon restoration series. If you haven't watched all 12 episodes so far, I'm going to be releasing an episode every Sunday, 9 in the morning. I put season 1 because I'm going to take a break eventually, and then I'll start a whole new series or new season and new playlist. But it'll probably just be like a couple weeks. It won't be nothing crazy. But so yeah, right now season 1, episode 12. Let's get to it.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Sorry we gotta get through some of this boring stuff to get to the fun stuff. So I'm just knocking stuff off the list. I got a whole to-do list, and every week I'm just gonna keep knocking away at it, crossing stuff off, and then we can get to some of the fun stuff. So thanks again for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Sunday.